Hi guys, welcome back to Fanita channel. So today we are playing this really old car game. Now, as you can see, this car looks really old. Cause you have to wind the windows down. Wait, how did I open the door? Oh, like that, yeah. So yeah, basically this car's really old. As you can tell. It's a first-person car game. So yeah, let's go. So we do have petrol. So it's basically like real life. Whoa. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. Ah! Well, I love how it makes them sound effects. Wow. Well, you can get different cars. Oh, nice. I have 1,275 coins. Let's try and get out of the car. Get out of the car. No. Yes. Oh wait, you can get out. Yeah, okay. So this is my car right now. As you can see, it's really old. There's somebody in the back of it though. So here's some other cars we can buy. A man saying hi to us. Thank you. There's a literal police car. You can buy a police car. Oh, I love the look of this red car. All of the other cars are white. Let's see how much this is. Wait, how do you... Oh yeah, okay, let's see this. Oh my god, 32,000, what? 75,000. Ooh, look at this big car. Looks like it's for off-road, but it's 28,000. No. This car shouldn't be that. This car is 25,000. I cannot afford any of these. It is night time. There's literal ATMs. I just got 100 from an ATM. Now it's so easy. Easy money in this game, guys. I'm going to turn my lights on. The hell? Okay, I've turned my lights. There's the horn. Okay, guys, let's go. Look. I've locked my car. Oh. Where's a petrol station? So that's me. Gas station, speed limit 90. There's a bank. I want to go to there. So I'm there, I need to go there. Okay. So I just need to go the other way. Let's go. Now I think... Yep, so now I just go back. Now I need to go this way. There's the gas station. Look at my gas bar at the top. Hey, go away, go away. Oh no, let's back up. Drive. Wow, I might actually make a part 2 of this. This game's really cool. Okay. So let's... How do you get this? Oh yeah, we need to open... Ah! I have no idea. I have no idea where the gas pump is. Should be somewhere. Cause wait, maybe what is hello, no. Maybe it's already filled up. Alright, like nah. You know what? I don't care about my fuel. I'm just gonna drive off. So what are you talking about? There's banks? There's a bank right there. And is this a bank? A bank? Oh, if I go backwards, there must be a bank. Oh, this must be a bank. Maybe this is a bank? That's a bank. What is this? No, this is not a bank. At least there's some money. Is he telling me to... I love that. Ah. I just spent so much money. Oh my god. Back. I think that's oh no. I'm gonna put my name. Apply. That's okay. I might add that another time. Here's the colours. My favourite colour is 500. No. Huh. 500 coins, 3 coins. Well, how is the video not available? Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. At least we've put new wheels. Let's go to my car. I don't know why. There. Can you just get out of my car? Because what is this guy doing? Well, there's 2 people in my car. Maybe they're just my friends. Go out. Oh no. Reverse. Bye. Go out, go out. Go out. Is it? Oh my god. Reverse, reverse. Oh my god. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, reverse. Drive, 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 drive. Reverse. Drive. No, 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 no. Reverse. Then drive. Why is it not letting me out? Go, go. What is happening? Turn. There we go. Okay, my phone is on 5%. And guys, I'm going to end the video here. Wait, let me just put my phone on charge. Let me get the charger. 1 minute, guys. Okay, I've got the charger. There we go. Okay, there we go. I've got the charger in. I'm going to end the video there, guys. So, yeah. I'm just going to get a bit of bubble gum. I've got strawberry flavour. Guys, I have my own mini bubble gum machine. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Peace!